Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to explain you how I use Wealthsimple Trade as a platform to buy and sell stocks in Canada. So if you are new to this channel, just to inform you that I make videos on investing in Canada by using Wealthsimple as a platform. So in my previous video I have shown the demonstration of Wealthsimple robo-advisor platform wherein I have building my portfolio, but in this video I will elaborate more on Wealthsimple Trade platform wherein I will buy and sell stocks on a live mode and will demonstrate you how I do this. And slowly and gradually we will build this portfolio, and I will invest money on a weekly basis in this portfolio so that my portfolio grows. And I will also explain you what mistakes I have done in the past so that you learn from my mistake. I would strongly recommend you to like and subscribe to this channel if you are new to this, and we will, in a friendly manner, we will see how I buy and sell stocks and make my portfolio grow. So let's get into my laptop. All right guys, so as you can see, this is the my portfolio of the Wealthsimple platform. So in this I am getting two options. So the first is the Wealthsimple robo advisor one that I have demonstrated to you in the previous video. So if you have not seen the previous few videos, I am giving you the link in the description box wherein you can go and see the video that I am building my robo advisor platform. And in this video the main motive is to show you guys how to use the Wealthsimple Trade platform wherein we can buy and sell stocks to get the maximum benefit out of it. So let's go into this thing. Okay, so I'm using the Wealthsimple is giving me, basically it's now rolling out the beta platform. In the initial days it was having only the app wherein you can buy and sell stocks, but now it's slowly and gradually rolling out the beta version for the Windows for the laptop. So yes, as you can see that this is my portfolio, and currently I'm trading at about 3,548 and 47 cents. And I have made this contribution in my TFSA account in my Wealthsimple platform, and currently my performance is $51.53 down. And as you can see that the markets are closed as of now, and they will open on Monday at 9:30 a.m. and okay, let's go. And currently I am adding a position of 18 positions. That means I am holding ETFs and some stocks in this TFSA account. So let's go dig deep into it. All right. Okay, so as you can see that all time, that is for 1 year, I am down by $51.53. I know you must be wondering that why I'm down so much, but it's perfectly fine because considering the market's hiccups, and it's been a very initial stage for my portfolio, and in the initial days I have put some money in the lump sum basis. That means in bulk. I have put some money in bulk rather than investing in a gradual fashion. So this is the only reason that I am having some negative returns out of it, but we will discuss more into this in the upcoming videos. And okay, so these are the stocks that I have buy in my portfolio. The first is the Algonquin Power and Utility Corporation, and this is one of the utility company in Canada. So I'm holding currently 3 shares, the value of which is 62.85 cents, and I am up by $1.38, and this contributes to let's see how much percent to my portfolio. This contributes to 2.06% of my portfolio as of now. And so when you go into this stock thing, there is an option to add to watch list. That means you can keep a watch on the stock, that how it's performing on a daily basis, and therein you can see the option to buy the stock and sell the stock. So in buying the stock, you can there's a three basic options to buy the stock. So the first one is the market buy, wherein you can buy on a market price basically. Second is the limit buy, wherein you can put some limit, whether you want to buy the stock on a current price, or if you think that the stock will go down, you can put that price and you can buy that stock on that price. And I would strongly recommend you to check the price on Yahoo Finance or Google with the proper ticker symbol, which is very important, because the Wealthsimple platform is 15 minutes delayed when it's compared to the Yahoo Finance and the main platforms. So yes, I have my average price of this stock is $20.49, and we are currently up by $1.38 on this. So let's get back to my portfolio. Second holding that I'm holding is BNS, that is Bank of Nova Scotia. So these are the ticker symbols wherein you can search it. So let me demonstrate you how to search a stock. For example, I want to search Bank of Nova Scotia. So you can put either the full name, it will automatically put you through the stock name, and it's very important that you choose the the exchange, that is the Toronto Stock Exchange, rather than the New York Stock Exchange, because in Canada you basically exchange trade in TSX. So if you go to New York Stock Exchange, there is a conversion fee, so if you buy US stocks. So that is one of the things that need to be considered while buying and selling stocks. Okay, so I have one share of Bank of Nova Scotia, and we are up by 60 cents, and this currently contributes to 2.26% of my portfolio. And it is one of the good stock in Canada, because Canadian financial industry is very strong when it comes to banks and all. Second stock that I'm holding is CNR, which is Canadian National Railway Corporation, and I believe that this is one of the most beautiful stocks that you can hold, because it will give you beautiful returns in the outcome years, because railway is something that cannot be stopped, whether it's a kind of depression in the market or a decline towards the market. This is something which will go on, and it is one of the good growth stock, you can say. And a very important point to make here is that all these stocks are basically a dividend stock. So my personal preference is to put more emphasis on how to build a dividend portfolio, so that you can get dividends on a monthly or a quarterly basis. So this will automatically reinvest as a passive income for you guys, and it will ultimately grow your portfolio. And the fourth stock that I am holding is Canadian Utility, and this is the stock which is not giving me that much return as of now. Currently I am holding 5 shares, and the total value for this holding is $155.45, and it's down by $6, that is 3%. So yes, but I'm not worried. I'm not in a mood of a stress selling kind of thing in the market, because I know that I am building this portfolio for the long term. And if you are building this portfolio or planning to invest for the long term, then you don't have to worry about the market, and you have to trust the market basically. Okay, so my average price for this stock is $32.31, and my position of my portfolio in this stock is 5% basically. So let's get back into it. Next holding that I am holding is the DOC, that is the CloudMD software. This stock is recently in news all over Canada, because this is the most of the recent company and the healthcare company in Canada, where you can see it's growing like crazy. So if you can see in the 1 year, it's giving the return of 221 and 62%. That is pretty much huge. And right now we are up by $3.96 in total. So I hold basically 80 shares of this company with an average price of $2.33, and my holding in the portfolio is 6% of this thing. And here you can see the market cap, basically what this company is holding in the market. So it's holding near about $272.42 basically 272 million of market cap in Canadian market. So this is basically a healthcare industry. Okay, so the next stock that I am holding is FIE. That is one of the ETF that holds the banks in Canada. So the average price of this ETF is $6.81, and we are down by 30 cents as of now. And this is one of the monthly paying ETF in my stock. Second one that I am holding is FTS, which is one of the most stable company in my portfolio. That is the Fortis. It is one of the Canadian utility company, and currently I am holding a share of 2 with an average price of $52.28, and I'm planning to invest in this company in a long term because I don't want to sell or like have to worry about this company, because as you can see, it's having a market cap of near about 24 billion, which is pretty much huge, and it's a very stable company in Canada. And it's a very kind of boring company, you can say, but yes, it's one of the main core company you can hold in your portfolio. Another stock that I am holding is the REIT stock, that is the HNR REIT basically. So in depression or in the bullish market, you can say the REIT went near about $8 to $7. Now it's near about $13. And if you can see the performance, it's still down by 36%. So there is a good chance that you can have a bullish behavior on this stock if you want to buy, but I would not recommend you, because I'm not a financial advisor. I will not I do proper research. I will also suggest you to do proper research before you buy or sell any stocks, and don't follow me blindly. I have near about 26 shares of this stock, and current percent of my portfolio is 11% in this profile, and I have pretty much confident that this will grow up in the near future as soon as the market will start building up due to the vaccine thing, and as soon as the offices will start grow up and they will start reopening, the REIT performance will be good in the near about future. Okay, so my next stock that I would like to talk about is the Manulife Financial Corp. So in Canada, it's one of the largest, you can say, insurance company, and currently I'm holding 10 shares of it, and it is also one of the most stable company, I can say. But as you can see, there's a continuous growth in this company after the market fall in the March of 2020. So there is still a room that this company will grow. It's down by 15% as of now, and I'm currently holding 10 shares of it, and my portfolio percent is 7% of this account. So if you want to invest in this money, it's a good option for you. Next stock that I'm holding is REIT. It is again one of the next REIT, which is the RioCan, and currently RioCan has slashed its dividend, so it's not a good news for the lovers of RioCan. So but my holding is near about 5 shares as of now, and I have pretty good confidence in RioCan because it's one of the strongest REIT in Canada as of now. And I am holding near about 2% of REIT, and with an average price of $17.59, and I will continue to buy this REIT in the near future. My next holding is Sun Life Financial, and it is again the one of the insurance company. It is comparatively one of the best insurance company, you can say. Currently I'm holding 1 share. I will slowly and gradually buy this share in the near future again. And next stock is TELUS Corp, which is the telecommunication stock. As you can heard about Rogers or Bell and TELUS, so I am holding a position of TELUS because I can see this is one of the rapid growing company in Canada with this holdings in US market as well, and slowly and gradually they are investing themselves in the healthcare sector as well. So I can see that this stock will do much better as compared to Roger and Bell. So currently I'm holding here shares of 4 with an average price of basically $25.38, and currently holds 3% of my portfolio, but we are down by 68 cents. No need to worry about. It's a good company altogether. Then my favorite stock, it's the TD Bank. So currently they have enjoyed their anniversary of 20 years as of now. So the market price of this stock is currently at $71.92, and I am holding position of 6 shares with an average price of $71.64, and we are up by $1.68, and my portfolio holding is 14%. And in the coming future I will keep more emphasis on TD Bank because it's one of the strongest bank in Canada, and I love this stock. As you can see, in year 2020, when the stock was down, and it slowly and gradually has picked up that space, and it's par about with the previous stock price. It's now near about down by 2%, which is not a big difference. Next stock that I'm going to talk about is the TRP, that is the TC Energy Corporation. It is the company that use the pipelines to supply fuel and energy to Canada. And this stock is not doing well for me as of now. It's currently down by $13 as of now, that is 11%, but it's a pretty stable company, I can say, and I don't have to worry because I'm planning to invest and keeping the stocks in the long term. Currently I'm holding 2 shares of it with an average price of $58.28, and right now the price of the current stock is 51. So yeah, you can't do anything. But you can see that market cap is near about $50 billion, so it's a pretty good company. Next ETF that I'm holding is the VDY, which is very heavy on banks and insurance sector in Canada. So I am holding 13 shares of it, and slowly and gradually I will put more emphasis, and I will put more I will expand my portfolio in such a way that I will have a base of ETFs and the more stable stocks like TD, and then slowly and gradually I will diversify my portfolio on the other stocks as well. So I would also recommend you that you should have a strong base of ETFs in the portfolio, then only slowly and gradually you put your money in other stocks so that your risk get minimized. So currently I'm holding 13 shares of it with an average price of 33, and near about 14% it's in my portfolio, and we are currently down by $5. Next ETF I would like to talk about is VFV. So this ETF I have recently purchased, and it's based on the S&P 500 US based stocks, and it is one of the you can say the growth based ETF in my portfolio, and it's very good in terms of growth. So if you see the 5-year graph, you can see that the graph is growing in a rapid pace. So it's up by 71% in the past 5 years, and I currently hold 3 shares of it with an average price of 84, and my percent of my portfolio is $8.35. So if you want to invest in US market, then I would strongly recommend that you can have a look in such kind of ETFs, basically, because if you buy a single stocks in US market in Wealthsimple Trade platform, then there it will charge you a commission fees of 1.5%, and also there is currency conversion fee, which will ultimately lead you more money. So investing in such stocks and ETFs will ultimately be a good decision for you. Next ETF that I'm holding is VRE. It is heavily based on REITs basically, but I'm not planning. It's a kind of risky investment, I can say, but I will keep a hold onto this because I currently hold 8 shares of it, and I'm not planning to put more money in the REIT sector as of now because I currently have much investment in HR REIT and Ryokan as well, but slowly and gradually I will put some of my money in REITs. Next holding that I'm holding is XCI, which is the Composite High Dividend Index ETF. So if I show you the holdings of this ETF, I will say that it's currently trading at $19.50, and let me show you the holding of this ETF. I think it consists of Enbridge basically, if I'm not wrong. Yes, so these are the top holdings. So it's basically more have emphasis on utility and the energy sector, and energy sector is going down as of now. I'm not planning to invest much in this ETF right now. So CNR, Nutrien, Suncor Energy, TD Bank, RBC, then we have Enbridge, TC Energy Corp. This here I already hold it basically, so I'm not planning to have to invest again in this sector, because I hold TD Bank, I hold BNS, I have TC Corp, so it will be overlapping basically. So just try to diversify your portfolio as much as you can. All right, so let's get back into my portfolio. Yeah, so these are the stocks that I am holding as of now. So currently, as you can see, that I have $500 to trade. So when the market will get open, I will buy some stocks, then I will make a video for you guys to show that which stocks I'm planning to buy as of now. And when the market will open on Monday, I will make a video to show you how to buy a stock on a market buy limit price. And yes, just to show you one more thing. Okay, if I go to this activity tab, and if I go into this dividend, so herein these are all of the activities that I have done in the recent 2 months in my account. So I have buy some VTFs, some ETFs, basically some stocks. So yes, if I go to dividend thing, and yesterday only I got my first dividend in my portfolio from the Canadian National Railway, that is of 58 cents basically. So as you can see, on 30th of December I got this dividend. So my ultimately goal and is to build a portfolio that will give me maximum passive incomes in the form of dividends, so that we all can get financial independence as soon as possible, which will be our ultimate goal of this portfolio. So yes guys, this is all about from my portfolio. So as soon as the time pass by, I will go more deep into, and I will let you know what holdings that I am extending into my portfolio, and we will together in a collaborative way we will start our journey. And if you have any suggestions or comments, I would love to hear from you guys. You can put your comments in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please do press the like button and do share it with your friends. And yes, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.